Good morning, everybody. So, today we're going to be talking about the financial statements. My name is Mark Runer, and I'm a CPA from Canada, and I'll go over these financial statements with you. So, there's five main components of the financial statements. You may have heard of them. The first one, and in my opinion, the most important, is the income statement. The second one, and very close in importance, is the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, you'll find things like the assets, the liabilities, and the equity. The next financial statement is a cash flow statement. This will tell you how well the cash flows of a company are. Then you'll see the statement of changes in equity. This will tell you how the equity has changed over the year, how much income has been added, and whether there's been some dividends paid or not. The last statement is not really a statement, but it's considered a statement, is the notes to the financial statements. Now, the interesting thing is the bulk of the financial statements is going to be the notes to the financial statements. In here, you'll find the accounting policies and specific items that address issues either in the balance sheet or the income statement. And this is the notes to the financial statements. So those are your five main components of the financial statements. So if someone asks you for financial statements, you're looking at either the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, or statement of changes in equity, and finally the notes to the financial statements. So if you have any questions on these, feel free to add them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can with some answers. Have a great day. Thank you.